How to fix you can't interact with certain account right now. We added restriction to your account problem. So if you are facing this problem on Instagram, I'll show you two methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method is now go to Play Store or App Store and start by updating your Instagram. Go and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, go and tap on this update button. So to update your Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram, now go and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram like this, now go to your profile. After you come to your profile like this now, so the second method to fix this problem is now, most of the time the reason why Instagram gives you such message that you can't interact with certain accounts right now, we added some restriction to your account, is because you are following many people. If you are following many people on Instagram, from there Instagram will track account as like a robot account. All you have to do now, stop following many people on Instagram, stop doing many comments on Instagram, and stop liking many many posts on Instagram, and wait for some days. If you wait for like 2 to 3 days, from there Instagram will lift that restriction from your account. That's it guys on how to fix you can't interact with certain account right now on Instagram. Stop following many people on Instagram and update your Instagram application. That's it guys. Hope this video information hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.